Hello guys, welcome to my channel Buyer List. I hope you all are doing good, and today I'm going to review top induction cooktops across brands. So to start with, the first product is by Philips Viva Collection model number 4928. So this product does not require installation unlike regular gas. The cooktop is made up of glass panel which is black in color and has a smooth silver manual button panel. It is easy to operate as it comes with auto off program which enables you to cook the food safely. It is very lightweight and portable, so you can carry it anywhere. The product comes up with a capacity of 2100 watts, high power for faster heating. Faster heating ensures that nutrition is locked inside the food. It comes with 5 preset menus such as gravy, roti or dosa, stir fry, slow cooking, pressure cook, so it simply means you can enjoy a host of delicacies. Moving forward, the second product is by Prestige model number PIC 15.0. One of the most important highlights of this product is that it has a safety feature which prevents the electrical waves from harming the user, which is very unique. All the buttons are feather touch and very elegant. Adding to this, its anti-magnetic wall, durability, safety and elegance makes cooking a pleasing and enjoyable experience. It has a unique design which helps you protect it from insects. It comes with a standard 3-pin plug and the cord is 1 meter long. The Prestige induction cooktop comes with the unique power saver technology wherein the induction cooktop dynamically monitors the temperature of the vessel and adjusts the power level based on the size of the vessel. This induction cooktop with keep warm function is sure to be the most elegant and efficient appliance in your kitchen. Third product is by Philips Viva Collection model number 4929. The induction is black and white color in combination, which gives it an attractive look. It is lightweight and easy to handle and offers customized programs for making Indian dishes. The push buttons have been provided below each menu option, which is easier to understand. Its auto off program and cool to touch surface gives comfortable and safe cooking. The fourth product is by Bajaj Majesty model number ICX7. This induction cooktop is integrated with 8 preset one-touch menus. All you need to do is select the corresponding option to what you have placed on the stovetop and the appliance will automatically set the right temperature. The keep warm mode lets you keep the food you cooked warm until the guests arrive. This feature keeps the food fresh and tasty all through. The delay timer facility of this appliance gives you the option of delaying your cooking, enabling the cooktop to start when you want it to. Developed with an excellent power saving technology, this induction cook shuts off when it is not in use to save the power. This induction stove consumes around 1900 watts of power for efficient functioning. Some of the compatible utensils with this induction cooktop are stainless steel pots, stainless steel rice cookers, cast iron frying pots, oil boiling pots, stainless steel water jugs, cast iron pots, color pots and grilling iron plates. The fifth product is by Usha Cook model number 3616. Some of the key features of this induction cooktop are: it comes with an auto switch to power saving mode to prevent overheating. One of the highlights is pan sensor technology, which means it operates only when cookware is placed on cooktop. It comes with 5 preset menu with additional manual control. It also has a safety device for protection against voltage fluctuation of up to 1500 volts. It comes with a flexible power cord of 1.2 meter length and 10 AM plug with earthing for safety. So guys, if you're looking forward to gather more information on these induction cooktops, please check the below description box. I hope you like this video. If you are new to this channel, so please subscribe, like and share, and do not forget to press the bell icon. Thank you and I will see you in my next video.